Hello, I am Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on our menu, come along, I'll teach you how to make strawberry syrup. And for this recipe, we will need lemon, strawberry, garlic, pepper, honey, and Miss B with our water. Pepper and garlic. Oh yeah, you know me, I love to give everything a twist. You can totally do without it. Now let's go right into this. Come in with your pan dry. Introduce your strawberry into it. I love to use non-stick so that it doesn't burn, and of course my pepper. You know me now, I just like pepper. I love pepper and garlic. I added garlic and pepper because I was tending to a sweet and savory. You can totally do without it. Then Miss B bringing in our water. If you want to use sugar, please feel free. At this point, add water and sugar at the same time, the same quantity. But I chose to use honey because you know me now. I like to be healthy. So when your strawberry starts to boil, you bring in your honey and make sure you keep stirring on low heat, because if it is on high heat, it can pour out. Feel free to squash the strawberries. Leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes until it simmers down like this. Then add in your lemon zest. Some people will add a pinch of salt so that every ingredient in here pops out, but I chose to do without the salt. And then I bring in my lemon juice. Oh my god, I already know how this tastes. Then of course with your stick blend, you blend it and then bring it back into the pot for like a minute or two, and then voila, our strawberry is ready. Our strawberry syrup is ready. Now this is optional. You can use it like this or you sift it. I chose to sieve mine because I wanted a smooth consistency. The consistency is totally left to you. Now, some people will not even stick blend. It's totally up to you. Like I said, syrups get thick when they cool down, so it depends on what you're looking for. If you prefer it thick, please be my guest. And like I said, please feel free to use sugar. When you're up for sugar, make sure the quantity of sugar is the same as your water, and you add your water and sugar at the same time. Look at how beautiful my syrup looks. Now this syrup can be eaten with puff, pancakes, cheesecake, bread as your jam, ice cream, and oh my god, you can totally use this on toast, especially French toast. Look at how beautiful this looks. If you've been here all this while, thank you so much, guys. Please do not forget to click on the like button, share this out with your friends, your family. Do not be selfish. Share. Here, we love to share. Thank you so much, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. There's so much love on this channel.